Hi, I'm Sam Nassour, and I'm an art director and a visual development artist, specializing in creating characters for animation and games. I've collaborated with studios like Cartoon Network, DreamWorks TV, and Netflix Animation. I currently work at Rovio, the studio that developed the Angry Birds game. Inspired by traditional animation movies, I've been drawing and creating characters since my early years. When working on an animation project, my job consists of helping the production team translate an idea into a piece of art and make it appealing. The main challenge of character design is to visually convey a whole personality and attributes like joy, charm, courage through shapes and color. All facial and body expressions, even the imperfections, can help your character look alive. In this domestic course, you will learn how to bring a creature character to life, using digital tools for the game and animation industries. For the final project, you will craft an animal-based character with a unique facial expression. First, I'm gonna teach you the materials that you need with my favorite tools in Photoshop. Then we will get to character design and learn some drawing principles to make an engaging illustration. Next, we will look for some inspiration to create some ideas for our character and get to know how to give it a simple narrative. From there, I will explain how to refine our drawing, add some more details, and apply flat colors. We will then be ready to create some volume by playing with light and shadow. We will also give our character some general polish and place it in a particular scene. Last, I will show you how to finalize our character with some light and camera effects. By the end of this course, you will know the tools and techniques to turn your ideas into characters that anybody can relate to. To follow me, it's recommended to have basic knowledge in Photoshop or any other painting program. You will only need a computer with Adobe Photoshop installed, but a graphic tablet will be very helpful. Translate your ideas into characters full of emotion.